Let us try this quadratic expression. Let's try about this quadratic expression. We have this form, which is a quadratic, and we need to express it in this form, which is square, a completing square. This is a completing square. So we have 3y square negative 12y negative 15. And then, because according to this, we need to put this 3 out. We need to put 3 as a factor. 3 bracket y square negative 4y, then we need to have a constant, negative 15. So we are going to bring this in this form. This is equal to what? By completing square, we divide by, we know that this is a quadratic, and then we assume that there were a division of, we divide by 2. 3y square negative 4 over 2a. 2a, which is 2 times 1, a is 1, then y, then we add b over 2a square, b over 2a square. b is negative 4 over 2a, 4 over 2a, 2 times 1 square, and we subtract it again, which is 4 over 2 times 1 square, then negative 15. We assume that this one and this one can cancel each other. And then, what we will get is automatically this one, automatically this one is a quadratic with a square. So, this is like 3 bracket y negative 2 squared. This is like a square plus 2ab, then plus b square. Automatically, here it is negative. Automatically, this is a negative b squared. Then, what you have as b is this number, which is 2. Then, what you have is like 2 times this number, this one, which gives this number. The number we have here is 2 times this. Is 2 times this. And then, we subtract this over this, it is 2 squared. Then, negative 15. So we get